Hello, everyone. Today, I will show everyone how to turn off Windows Defender software on Windows 10. Then we will have 3 ways to turn off Windows Defender software on Windows 10 computers. First way, we will use it for all Windows versions. Everyone will give me this Start button. Choose your settings line. Next, everyone will choose the item update and security. Everyone will choose for themselves the section Windows Security. Select Virus and Threat Protection. Select Virus and Threat Protection. We will continue to select Manage Settings. In the Real-Time Protection line, everyone turns it off for themselves. Select Yes. So we have successfully turned off Windows Defender. Then that is the first way. Now, I will guide everyone on the second way. This second method will be used for Windows 10 Pro. In the search box, people will enter the keyword Gpit. Next, you will select Put yourself in the Edit Group Policy section. Everyone zoomed in. Everyone will choose for themselves in the Administrative Template section. Select Next, go to Windows Components. Everyone pulled down below and select Enter Microsoft Defender Antivirus. Now, everyone will choose Turn off Microsoft Defender Antivirus. Everyone chooses Enabled. Select Apply. Select OK. So we have turned off the Windows Defender software on Windows 10 Pro, everyone. Now, I will show you the third way. So everyone can turn off Windows Defender software? Above Win 10 Home version. In the search bar, you will enter the command regedit. You will choose for yourself in the Registry Editor section. Select Yes. Everyone zoomed in. Select HK Local Machine. Continue selecting. Let me go to the Software section. Select the Policies section. Select the Microsoft folder. Select Windows Defender. Everyone right-click on the empty space. Select New and select for Word 32-bit value. And named myself Disable Anti-Spyware. Then everyone will click on this file and select Value Data as 1, then press OK. So we have turned off the Windows Defender software on Windows 10 Home version. So I have made a promise to everyone. How to turn off Windows Defender software on Windows 10 computer. Everyone watched the video and found it interesting. If you find it useful, remember to give me a like, 1 share, 1 subscribe to the channel.